Lessing said that if God should come to him with truth in one hand and the never-ending pursuit of truth in the other, and should offer him his choice, he would humbly and reverently take the pursuit of truth. Perhaps it is best that finite beings should not attain infinite success. But however remote that for which they seek or strive, they may, by their diligence and generosity, make the very effort to secure it noble. In doing this, they earn, as Pope tells us, a truer commendation than success itself could bring them. Act well thy part, there all the honor lies. Let's play it out, this little game called life, where we are listed for so brief a spell, not just to win amid the tumult rife, or where acclaim and gay applauses swell, nor just to conquer where some one must lose, or reach the goal whatever be the cost, for there are other, better ways to choose, though in the end the battle may be lost. Let's play it out as if it were a sport wherein the game is better than the goal, and never mind the detailed scores report of errors made, if each with dauntless soul but stick it out until the day is done, not wasting fairness for success or fame, so when the battle has been lost or won, the world at least can say, he played the game. Let's play it out, this little game called work, or war, or love, or what part each may draw. Play like a man who scorns to quit or shirk because the break may carry some deep flaw, nor simply holding that the goal is all that keeps the player in the contest staying, but stick it out from curtain rise to fall, as if the game itself were worth the playing.